In this session, you will learn about text editor in GUI. If you are installed in your server or desktop version of Linux flavored operating system in your machine, there is a facility to open and edit files using GUI editor, text editor. Like Windows, there is a notepad, and once we will open the notepad and write the text file and save the notepad. Likewise, here also there is a ready-madely the facility of the application which is available. We will see now. Open your operating system GUI and go to the open to the folders of your direct access of files. Click files. See here. Again, here there is a text file is there, and txt history.txt is also available here. Simply you select the text file and right click here and open with the text editor. Open with text editor. By using the GUI window along with the mouse, you can able to do these all the activities without interacting with the terminal and command prompt. And now I am adding a line here by hitting the enter of my cursor is moved here, and I take the position of the cursor, and the next new line I am adding for added text from GUI editor. Okay, I have added the text file. How you are using notepad in your Windows, similarly you can use and add the text over here and save. On bottom you will identify saving the text file. It's done. Similarly, here there is an if you want to open a new file, you can find out here the text file and you can open it, or go to the other and browse and open the text file. And here there is a facilities of menu like save as and print. Directly from this text file you can take the printout and save all. Any multiple notepads may open, save all option, find and replace. If you want to have a big document like a text file, you are having multiple pages and you want to replace at the same time, you will use the find and replace here. By hitting this one you will have it, and go to the line. If you know the line where you want to go, directly that particular line you will reach. And view tools and preferences, keyboard shortcuts, all are there. You will identify the things. And by using that text editor, by using the GUI, we have added a line. We will check with the cat command to the text line is displaying over there or not. Okay, the 8th line it should be there. Once again I am saving the text file and close. Yeah. Move to terminal. My terminal is here. Yep. Yes. Cat history.txt. See now. So 8th line is here. The text file. Either from the command prompt using VI editor or nano editor, appending the text lines, and the text editor where you are going to editing the text. So well versed. You will use to add the text by using these 3 terms, whereas VI editor will give you a syntax based and coloring, multicolor also it will be shows which is the active and inactive, and likewise colors it will be displayed user wise. That is the facilities are available with that editors. In the default GUI text editor, in a plain black letters it will be displayed. Hope you understand about the text editor using the GUI. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.